Hello and welcome to my channel. I'm Niels and I am a recently graduated mechanical engineer, and I've also played drums for 20 years, studied music and played professionally. And now I want to make a YouTube channel because I have some projects I want to share with you. And next to me here you might see a little tease for some of my musical equipment. So we are gonna create engineering and music, but much more. And the first project is gonna be to build the ultimate Tony Stark virtual mixed augmented reality engineering and music production setup. So these are XREAL 1 Pro augmented reality glasses. And these will allow me to create virtual screens with more. So right now I have a virtual screen that popped up in my face. I need to move that over here. More than these glasses, I also have acquired this here that can come into frame like this. This is the device that I use to present on here in my slideshow, where I can go back and forth swiping. And this is a 65-inch touchscreen. And I purchased this device to help my girlfriend present her digital art that nobody has ever seen. Let me put down the glasses here real quick. But more than that, besides being able to present her art in a gallery or at a convention, I can also use it for 3D programming, 3D printing, vibe coding. So that's one step closer to the Tony Stark setup. Oh, I studied music from 2017 until 2020, the Royal Conservatory of Music in Denmark. But then, after 3 years of studying, I realized that because of a certain situation at the time, I wanted a more secure education and future than being a musician, since my whole field of income got shut down from one day to another. So back to school, learn some basic math, go to the university. We want to build a Tony Stark ultimate mixed reality, virtual reality setup. So we already have the 65-inch touchscreen that I'm presenting on here. Amazing. It has a great camera, it has great microphones, and it can do all kinds of cool stuff. Besides that, we also acquired the XREAL 1 Pro. These are also awesome. They can do 2D to 3D conversion, mixed reality recording. Well, we're gonna do software. We're gonna do a bunch of software as well on this channel here. I use that to present my girlfriend's art. Nobody has actually seen her digital artwork except on Instagram. So I got the great idea to purchase the screen and then build an app or a website for now to present her art so that people can scroll through her digital works and order prints and actually also custom 3D printed artwork that people can remix. And I'll show you that in 2 seconds. Other than that, we also have a 3D printer here that we use for art. I have a plan to create some kind of 3D print optimization algorithm to make it easier for everyday people to create stronger 3D printed parts with a few clicks. Push 3, Ableton Push 3 with the MPE MIDI controls. That thing is an amazing machine, and I can't wait to learn how to use it more. Besides that, we have the preamps that I showed you. So these are TC Electronic Gold channel, and I have 2 of those. So that'll give us 4 channels with 96 kilohertz. The monitors though, they will go to 192 kilohertz full digital because I have 2 master monitors. So it's actually a really potent setup. What else do we need? Well, and this has a wonderful name because our speakers here, they speak, or they use the AES EBU protocol to communicate sound back and forth digitally. And in order for us to do that, we need this sound card here, and it's called an RME HD SPE AES /EBU, /EBU is a very special piece of equipment that I have. And that is what's called an Orban Optimod 8585 surround processor. And this is a very special device. And this specific device actually was used to broadcast X Factor 2013 and 2016 here in Denmark, a Danish talent show. So that means I still have the presets on the machine, and this machine cost over 15,000 euro from new. And these presets are really excellent because they're made by the sound engineers at the Danish TV station. And what is this machine? Well, it's fully digital, 8-channel dynamic multiband compressor and mastering limiter, loudness controller. But the idea here, the scope of everything, is to finish building out our Tony Stark setup, of course, we're almost there. We got a lot of stuff. Then we need to acquire the Aero drums so I can start streaming some music and perform to have fun. Then we need to buy this so we can do the digital virtual reality perform venue. But I would like to document and share my journey. So everything I do on this channel will essentially be live. And the idea is to keep producing and keep doing fun projects. We have a lot of stuff I want to do. There's even more electronic repairs, live concerts, etc. All of these things will be condensed into videos at a later time. I want to document and share my journey as a mechanical engineer and a musician. Oh, well, the idea is that people can scroll through her digital art and basically order and remix custom artwork on this machine. Okay, so what you see here on this side, the right side of the screen, is the finished art piece that my girlfriend has created on her iPad. So I click 3D print, and then I select one of her artworks here. This one is really nice. So what we can do in this interface here is remix her art. So we can select which parameters we want to have present or to remove, and then we can adjust it manually. The vibrance, for example, or the light. We can even switch some of the colors here if we want all the shadows to be red. So we can do all kinds of stuff, but one thing that I really like is just to click, there's a little remix button up here. Try to click that and see if something funny pops out here. I usually like to do that. For example, I like this here. So let's say I'm a customer, I want to order this, then you just click save, boom, and then it populates as an image that I can then 3D print over here on my Bumblelab A1. But I would like to say thank you for now, and thanks for joining my channel. And if this sounds interesting or in any way useful to you, please be sure to hit the like, subscribe, and maybe even the notification bell to see when I go live, because everything is actually going to be live. So thank you. Goodbye.